What's up guys, this is Vi and today I'm gonna show you how to remove the background from your images with almost 0 clicks, and the sites I'm gonna show you are free to use and they are pretty fast too. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Okay, so the site that's on number 3 is this Inpixio background remover. So this site is still in beta version, but according to me it does a pretty cool job in removing the background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just choose a photo. You can drag or import the link to your image. I'm gonna just upload it. So it will take a few minutes to upload. Okay, so after uploading, you're gonna see an interface like this. So basically what you need to do is you just need to select this remove, and you're gonna paint on the area that you don't want in the image. So let me just paint it like so. And the part you want to keep, just press this plus icon and just like paint it there. Okay, after you have done that, you can just go and apply the settings, and it will take a couple of minutes to process it. Okay, so after processing, you're gonna see something like that. Obviously the selection is not perfect, and maybe that's the reason it's on number 3. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just decrease the brush size and select this remove and just fine tune it a bit. Okay, so I'm obviously not giving it too much time to like do stuffs, but I'll just erase it from here. Okay, I'm gonna apply it. Okay, if you get this kind of an error, just hit an OK and just apply it one more time. It should work. Okay, so after a few hidden tries, I think it gave usable results. I won't say usable, but it's decent, I guess, if you just ignore the fact that there is still some skies and clouds, parts of clouds right there. So if you're happy with the selection, you can just go ahead and save your photograph to your desktop or mobile. Just save it if you want on Inpixio. Okay, so the second site I'm gonna show you is Remove BG, and I kind of like the interface of the site and the results that I get. So I'm gonna just go ahead and upload the image really quick. Select the same image so that you can compare the results. Yep, this one. Okay, so it's uploading, and that's okay. So there you go. Such an amazing selection, right? So this site is on number 2 because you can't download the high-res file without signing up. So if you are cool with signing up with this site, just go ahead and download this file at high resolution, or you can just download the preview image that's on the low resolution part and just keep it if you want. But this site gives a pretty decent result, and you can obviously edit it. Also, this site is not that fast compared to this site I'm going to show you that's on number 1. So let's see. You can just apply some blur, or you can just apply any photograph in the transparent region, or any color kind of thing, or just erase or restore it. So cool features, but because of this limitation to download the higher file, I'm keeping it at number 2. Okay, so time for the number 1 and my favorite site, Slazer.com. This site is on number 1 for a reason. Let me just show you. So I'm gonna just click in upload, and we just open this thing, and I'm gonna just click on upload image, and I'm gonna select the same file, that is and just see how quickly it uploads. And also you can just download its free app. Okay, there you go. Such a smooth and seamless selection, right? And the best part is there is no limitation in this, and you can just go ahead and download it, or you can click edit and just edit the feathering and selection stuff, masking it up. And it has all the features of remove BG, that's the keeping an image there in the transparent area, all kind of stuff. And you can just go to erase and restore and just paint in to reveal the parts. You can just go ahead, or you can just go ahead and download the image if you like the selection. So just click on download, and this will give you a high res pic. So I'm gonna just rename this to say Slazer. Cool. So this was it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't already. And if you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any query or feedback to give, hit the comment section. Also, if you want me to create a tutorial on how to remove background in Photoshop, hit me a comment. So this was it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.